Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the React framework. If you are new to React, don't worry, we'll go through everything step by step. React is a JavaScript library used to build interfaces especially for single page application. It allows developers to build reusable UI components, making the development process much faster and more efficient. So the pre-requirements are, before starting to coding, let's make sure your development environment have Node.js installed in your system, the latest version of Node.js, and the VS Code, the text editor, also installed in your system. Okay, after the installation of Node.js and VS Code, let's go back to our VS Code code editor. Inside this, open the folder. If you want, I will be selecting the YouTube folder I have already created. Now in the terminal, we have to create the environment I have already created, but it's the same command. Type python -m venv. Now it will run something like the env folder will be created again. Later, what you do is go to scripts and copy that activate.ps1 and copy the relevant path and paste it here, then hit enter. Now you can see that an environment variable or else environment has been created. This environment is important to keep everything intact. So now starting with React, npx create -react -app, then give the app name which you want to give. Now I will be giving my app. Okay, now it will be starting some process. It will be installing all the modules required for that app. Now you can see that how the installations are going on. We'll wait until this. Okay. Environment variable helps like installing any unwanted things. It will be safeguarding your system, like it will not include in your system but include only in that virtual environment. So this npm react app is working, modules are creating. Let's wait a little. Okay, it's still going on. Let's wait. Once the app is created, then you can see some other files which will be appeared in that left corner. Okay, let's wait the last something. Dependencies is installing. Okay, finally last one. Okay, done. Now what you have to do is just the command is given, copy that command cd my app and paste that. Now you are inside my app. Now npm start. After this, what will happen is you will be asking to allow. Okay, later you will be getting some URL link. It's just you have to tap on that. Now see, now in your web browser the React app has been opened. Okay, this is the basic structure of UI React app. It will be displaying the first thing in your screen. Now let me explain what are the things they have installed in my app. Now you can see that more node modules, these where dependencies are stored, then public folders where the index.html is stored, then the React SVGs, PNGs and JPG formats are stored. Coming back to that, what we say, that package git ignore is there, then package.json is there. Inside that all the versions of the React will be stored and any other dependencies and all installed. Okay, coming back to the src, this is where the magic happens. The src folder holds the JavaScript code component and styles. The default component is your app.js. Okay, we'll clear this all and write hello world. In brief explanation I will be explaining later. This is just for a beginners. Now when I wrote hello world and updated or else saved, the browser is automatically updated with hello world. So that's it for today's video. You have just created your first React app, explored a file and made a first change. React is an amazing framework, and here's much more learn. If you enjoy the tutorial and want to more React content, make sure to follow, stay updated in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and more amazing tutorial. Watch. Thanks for watching. Next code.